On today's Ramadan series, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, simple roast. I'm using the rolled roast. It's a shoulder, a deboned shoulder at that, from Abu Ahmad Butchery. Already in the net, already rolled. I actually don't have to do too much to it. I'm going to serve that with some beautiful roast veggies and a lovely chimichurri sauce on top. I'm going to keep my lamb nice and simple. All I'm going to do to it is rub some extra virgin olive oil, give it a bit of a sprinkle and a showering with salt and pepper, and then I'm going to seal it in my pan on all sides and transfer the whole pan to the oven to finish off the cooking process. I'm sealing the outside because I want to start the cooking process and I want to get beautiful caramelization on my roast. Our roast is ready to be put in the oven. I'm going to say about 45 minutes to an hour, but I will check it at the half an hour mark just to make sure it's all going okay. I want to be a little bit different with my roast veggies this time. So rather than your typical pumpkin, carrots, potato, I will add carrots and potato, but I want to add leek as well and some fennel. It just gives it, roasted fennel is just sensational, especially when it's paired with lamb. So I've prepped my veggies. I've put some beautiful leeks, potatoes. Oh my God, it's so colorful. Love it. All I'm gonna do to my veggies is add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil as well. Some Vegeta seasoning. So our lamb has been baking for about half an hour now. I'm gonna get these veggies in, check on my lamb, and let them both finish together. While the veggies and the lamb are in the oven, it's time to make the chimichurri. Now the chimichurri is really a blitzed up salsa or sauce, if you like, using fresh herbs, a few different spices, and of course, our delicious extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna start with some parsley and put that straight in to our little processor. Normally you'd add a bit of oregano, but today I'm going to put some mint because that's what I have available. I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic. What I'm going to put next are the spices and the vinegar. So we've got white vinegar, but you can use the red wine vinegar or any vinegar that you have on hand. Chili flakes. We've got some sweet paprika, some ground black pepper. Let's put the salt. We've got the vinegar now and a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. All we do now is blitz this up and it's ready to serve. Yum. So delicious. All right, into our bowl. Put that aside. The olive oil is just because it's been blended, so it looks a little, there's a lot of little air bubbles. But once it settles, it will have a nice green color and it's ready for our roast lamb when we plate up. Oh yes, yum, yum. Our veggies are also done, so delicious. Now, the veggies, I'm actually gonna leave them in the pan and serve them like that. I'm gonna add a few fresh herbs and just, you know what? That just screams, come and share me. Not me, the pan. So we're just gonna transfer the lamb onto our board. You know what? I'm gonna carve it up here, serve it up, and guys, we're ready to eat. So this is my roast lamb with some roasted veggies and this beautiful chimichurri, which I'm just going to drizzle over the lamb like that. All right, let's dig in and taste this. Yum. Some chimichurri. Look at that, Kel. Can you see that?
I can see it.
No, you can't. Oh my God. I'm gonna go in again. This is so delicious. Yum. I can't believe how buttery and soft it is. You know what? My job here is done. Yum.